DIY installation for 2-DIN stereo with backing camera. Pink wire connected to red wire from camera cable. Yellow wire connected to white stripe wire as power supply. Black wire connected to black stripe wire as negative or ground wire. Red wire connected to white-black wire as positive ignition switch wire. Green positive and green-black negative wires connected to front left speaker wire. Gray positive and gray-black negative wires connected to front right speaker's wire. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Sipmar Garage Auto Works.